Want Claude to run unattended? Generate code in CI? Ship a script that thinks? Headless Mode turns Claude into a programmable building block. Pipe it anywhere. Pass the -p flag with a prompt. Claude runs it once, prints the answer, exits. No interactive session, no keyboard input. Just one shot, one result. Output as JSON for parsing. Add output format JSON. Get back a structured object. The response, token counts, cost, perfect for piping into scripts. Use it in CI, a GitHub Actions step that asks Claude to review a pull request. Claude runs in the runner, returns Markdown, posts the review as a comment. Stream JSON for real-time progress. Each tool call, each thought becomes a separate JSON line. Build dashboards that show what Claude is doing live. Combine with hooks for fully autonomous flows. Claude runs nightly. Hooks log everything. Slack notifications on completion. No human in the loop required. 3 things to remember. -p for headless. Output format JSON for structured data. Stream JSON for live progress. Save these patterns for later. The full sheet is linked in the description below. Try it now. Pipe Claude's output into a script and let it do something useful while you sleep. Next episode, Power Workflows for daily use. See you there.